Novatech Robo. Sir was born and brought up in Bangalore. He has graduated from Bangalore University and started his career as a businessman. His achievements are many, but I would like to cite a few of them. In 1985, Sir started web services and was one among the first 100 people to get internet connection in India. Also, he is a pioneer in starting the internet marketing and email marketing and to launch medical transcription on commercial lines in India. Novatech Robo was launched in the year 2010 for promoting robotic education in India. He has developed a robotic curriculum for schools and colleges along with his dedicated team, which is in collaboration with the RoboFest of Lawrence Technological University, Michigan, USA, University of West Florida, and iSpace, New Jersey, USA. Novatech Robo provides robotic training to students ranging from schools to colleges, faculties and students, industries and corporate professionals, to name a few. In addition, Mr. Khan and his team has provided training at Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, which was a great success. Right from its inception, Novatech Robo, under the leadership of Mr. Khan, has been a benchmark with 25 franchises in different parts of India, starting from Jodhpur to Jamshedpur, Delhi to Trivandrum, etc., with more than 100,000 people being trained so far, including students and working professionals. Sir's aim is to provide robotics available in all the corners of India and not just to remain as the domain of rich and famous category or elite urban population. With this, I welcome you, sir, for our function and thanks for coming.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. I.A. Khan to address the gathering.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm from a different line. I'm not from the academic line. See, I'm from the business line. I started robotics as one of my business activity, as a hobby. I'm from a different business. This I started as a hobby. After seeing this in USA, I wanted to start it in India. To do robotics, what is the requirement? To start robotics, what is the requirement for training? One is a kit, which is required for training. Second is the trainers, qualified trainers required to train their students. Third is the curriculum, what is to teach. These are the three things that was required by us. When I started this one, the best kit available all over the world is for training is Lego Install. But they were not able to train this because they were not having any on-hand training on robotics. They were knowing only theoretical robotics, not practical robotics. So I had to once again go back to USA, get some of the training materials, get some of the professionals, train these people, build the curriculum, build the trainers. Then what is to teach? We started building the curriculum for these students. So now, today, we train the students from almost like 6-year-old student to the engineers and the professionals. My 5th grade students can solve much of the problems of these NXT kids. Now today we have gone from that to different higher levels, and we have gone even to the commercial robotics. We started training in the colleges. What is required to do is the dedication. If you are dedicated, you can do it. Then when I started searching in the Bangalore for the colleges to train the college students, this is the only college I found in Bangalore which is training in NXT kids in robotics. Most of the colleges have gone to the higher level, like Arduino, base, Raspberry Pi, and everything. But you cannot reach to that level without knowing the basics, how it applies, how the coordination between the sensor and the motor works, how the robot can move, how the motor transmission takes place. They have moved to Raspberry Pi and they have gone to Arduino and they have gone to most advanced training ARM7 and other things. We do now ARM7 also. We have built our own kits also. I have a dedicated team of 40 engineers who are working full time on these projects, and we train those college students school students, professionals, higher institutes and other things. And we build. I'll tell you one example of some of the robots which we have used, but they are basics, but with some purpose. Without much investment on the technology and things. You have this AC systems. Suppose sometime if a mice or some went inside and get killed, the smell start coming. How do you clean it? We have built a robot which can go inside these systems, detect what is happening, collect wherever this one comes. Human cannot go inside this. Recently, for the election purpose, we used some technology, which was not much advanced. We use only simple methods. See, we use a drone tied with a photo of one of the participants, flown it in the villages where the people gathered to see the drone coming. Another drone dropped the flower, this one pamphlets from the air. People picked up the pamphlet. These pamphlets were made with augmented reality, where they can see the speech of the candidate by their phone. One of the candidates, we did the trade work. 25,000 people downloaded that app in one constituency. And the candidate won the election also. So this is what the technology that people have to do. It is not that teaching without application is no use. If you give me some time later after this event, I can show you what is the position of our robotics situation in India compared to India. Why we are not growing in robotics. What can be done to grow the robotics? So these are the things my research is a practical research. I'm not on the theoretical books or this one. My people do everything hands-on. Their job is 24 hours is building something new, something concrete, something this. When I come to some of my competitions, I conduct competitions to encourage people to participate in the competitions and learn robotics. Only when you give an opportunity to learn, when you give them the competitive nature, then only they will learn. So this is what we are giving. We have number of kits. We can provide different kits and other things for the training purpose. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak on behalf before you, all the people, all are in the professional line, but I am from the practical line, where I employ the things which is developed by the people in commercial applications. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. Permit, I'll show you all this.